Hi, welcome to the NextGen web design video blog. Today we're going to look at managing and presenting photos and images in WordPress. In this first part, we'll go over WordPress's built-in image management and editing. Then in part 2, I'll explain how we can use the plugin NextGen Gallery to extend WordPress's image capabilities. To demonstrate, we're going to look at a site we recently completed for DJK, who is rapidly emerging as a top-tier DJ both locally in San Francisco and around the world. Visit djksf.com for more information, to sign up for guest lists for his shows, and to download free mixes. DJK was gracious enough to allow us to use his site for this video. All work you see done is on a development server and does not affect the live site. DJK came to us looking to present images on his site in a few different ways. We're going to look at the solutions we came up with, but first, we'll start with the basics. Let's go to the dashboard. We'll create a page called Images. To insert an image on a poster page, you simply click the Insert Image button and choose a file. Be sure to enter title information. This helps with SEO, particularly for Google image search. You can optionally enter a caption which will display below the image. For a link URL, you indicate how you want the image to link. Choose None to have no link. File URL will display the image by itself. You can also manually enter a URL, whether you want it to be a different page on your website or a completely different site. Post URL will display the image within the context of the WordPress page. After uploading the image, you can even perform editing. Simply click the Edit button. If you want to crop the image, drag the mouse over the image to create a box and click the crop icon. Additional functions include rotating, flipping, resizing, and more. You can also specify whether you want the changes to apply to just the thumbnail, all image sizes, or everything but the thumbnail. Once you're ready to insert the image, choose a size and click Insert into Post. Now we'll click Update and view the page. Once the image is inserted, you can also click Edit to edit the title, caption, link, or size. The Advanced tab gives even more options. Now that we've seen how to add a single picture, let's look at adding a collection of pictures, referred to as a gallery in WordPress. You simply go back to the Add Picture button and select multiple photos. You can drag a box around images, or you can hold down Control on a PC or Command on a Mac to select individual pictures. You can also hold down Shift to select several pictures in a row. Once you've added them, you'll see a Gallery tab pop up on the dialog. From there, you have options for how to link the thumbnails, how to order them, and how many columns to display. Now we'll click Insert Gallery, and we'll update the page and view. And there's our gallery. You can see the caption we included previously is still there. If you click on an image, it will be displayed in full size. Now we're going to look at WordPress's featured image function. DJK wanted to be able to highlight the current upcoming event for his guest list page and be able to easily change the current photo. For that, I chose to use featured image. Featured image is commonly used for post thumbnails, but with a little coding it can be customized to do so much more. For example, I had a client who wanted to manually set up different header images for each of her pages, so I used featured image for that. In this case, I used featured image so that the image on the guest list page could easily change and not have to be formatted each time. In addition, I set it up so that the sidebar image is automatically synced with the featured image on the guest list page. So let's go over to the guest list page. Now we'll click Set Featured Image. And from there, the process is the same as inserting a picture into a post or page, except instead of the Insert into Post, you click Add as Featured Image. Let's go to the guest list page, and you'll see the image is perfectly formatted. In addition, the sidebar image for the guest list is also synced up. So as you can see, WordPress's built-in image handling is fairly powerful and full-featured. However, it does have some limitations, particularly with managing collections of images, and for that reason, myself and many other WordPress developers use a plugin called NextGen Gallery. In Part 2, we'll go over how to use NextGen Gallery and what its advantages are.